Juggling multiple games or news feeds can be a breeze with YouTube TV's Multiview feature, so let's dive in and see how you can become a master of simultaneous streaming. First, make sure you are subscribed to YouTube TV now. Using your remote, navigate to the Live tab. This is where all of your live channels are located. Look for a game or show that has the Multiview icon. It looks like two rectangles side by side. Not all programs have this feature, but live sports are frequently available. Selecting a multiview program will bring up a selection of pre-selected multiview combinations. These are curated mixes of channels that YouTube TV thinks you might enjoy. Browse through the options and choose the one that best suits your viewing needs. Just select it with your remote. Voila! You are now watching multiple streams simultaneously. Each stream will be smaller, allowing you to keep an eye on everything at once. To change which stream's audio is playing, simply navigate to that stream using your remote. The selected stream will have its audio prioritized. To exit Multiview, press the down arrow on your remote. This brings up options to return to single screen view or adjust the Multiview selection. YouTube TV occasionally rolls out customization options to let you create your own Multiview. So check back regularly to see if this feature becomes available to you. Experiment with different combinations to find your perfect setup. Now you can watch all your favorite games at once.